Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to rate seller on Facebook Marketplace. So as you can see, we're on the Marketplace section of the Facebook app right here, but unfortunately you won't be doing that within here, you'll be doing it within a Facebook Messenger. So I've opened up the Facebook Messenger app, or you can go to the home page on the Facebook app, then click the top right hand corner on that Messenger icon, and then that will bring you here where you want to click Marketplace to get to the Marketplace messages, then click on the person who you want to rate that conversation. Then you want to click the top left hand corner where it says rate seller. Then it will bring up like a star rating between 1 to 5 stars. You can also say what they did well, if they're fair pricing, communication, etc. You can click on them to describe it, or you don't have to. But once you're done with that, click next at the bottom, then you're done. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Facebook app. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.